Hello guys, this is Priya. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my previous video, we have learned the letter sound and today we are going to learn the French accent. In French, there are 5 accents which placed below and above some letters and change the pronunciation of letters. The first accent is accent aigu. Accent aigu. The accent aigu is just for one letter or one vowel, that is E, and the purpose of this accent is to change the sound of this letter. As we have already learnt in my previous video that the pronunciation and sound of the letter E is A in French. But with this accent, we pronounce this letter as A. For example, école. École, which means school, and the next example is éléphant. Éléphant, which means elephant. The second accent is accent grave. Accent grave. It works with the letter E and change the pronunciation of this letter. For example, mère. Mère, which means mother. Père. Père, which means father. Frère. Frère, which means brother. So this accent grave has the sound of A. That is why we are pronouncing mère, père and frère. This accent comes on A and U also, but here it doesn't change the sound of this letter. For example, the letter A will remain A only. In French, the letter of the pronunciation of this letter is A, and with this accent, the pronunciation will remain same. It will be A. And the meaning of this word is to, which is a preposition. And the second example is où. Où, which means where. The third accent is accent circonflexe. Accent circonflexe. It's for all the vowels A, E, I, O, U. With A, I, O, U, there is no change of the pronunciation. But when this accent circonflexe comes on E, here with this letter the pronunciation changes and it's the same as accent grave. The sound is A in this case. So the example is être. Être. This is a verb which means to be. The next example is tête. Tête, which means head. Our fourth accent is accent tréma. Accent tréma. It comes only on 2 letters, that is E and I. When we have this accent, we have to speak both the letters separately. For example, the word maïs. Maïs, which means corn. Here we are pronouncing the vowel A and I separately. That is ma, I, s. Maïs. The next example is égoïste. Égoïste, which means egoist. Here we are pronouncing O and I separately. Égoïste. Égoïste. Our last accent is accent cédé. Accent cédé. It comes with the letter C. And here there is no change of the pronunciation. For example, garçon, garçon, which means boy. The next example is Français, Français, which means French. So I hope this will help you, and if you want to sharpen your French skills, like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.